We just colored some Easter eggs. They are real eggs. Are going to make colored Easter eggs. As you can see, the eggs are boiling. And here's everything we will need. We will need egg holders that are already colored, color in eggs, color in stickers, color in egg holders, an egg holder, tablets, and crayons. Now these are normal crayons. They are special crayons that can color on that can color on eggs. So, and when you paint over them, you can still see them. And then we have color in stickers, and we have just already colored in stickers. And here are egg dryers. Now I will take out this one. I'll do it in slow motion so you can see it. What's wrong with this thing? Hang on. Sorry, everything's falling off the table. We'll be right back. So, hello and we're back. Now, as you can see, I have these color tablets out. Hang on, let me just get them in my hand. I have one, and I have another one, and I'm going to put all of them into these cups. So, I have the eggs with me right here. Right, eggs? Good. Okay. And are you done yet? No. Okay. The eggs are not done yet, they said. Okay. I will dip it in blue. And it works. So, now, I will dip it in on the other side. Okay. Yeah, other side. Oh. Actually, the directions said if you want to add another color, wait till it's dried. But I'm just going to add another color on the other side. So, I will need to make sure it goes in perfectly straight. And take it out. Kind of hard to see, but it looks good. So, now let me tell you what it looks like. Looks like a sun with snow right here and an ice skating rink right here. That's what it looks like. A sunset. As you can see, we've started some. Here's my first one, my second. My grandpa made this one. Now I can show you he's a real artist. He did that. He got this face color from the orange because the orange kind of is a face color and also sand. because that I did that. And we have this one that I made, flower. This beautiful colored one. I did that one myself. And this one with grass on the bottom. And my grandpa just made one. Oh, whoa. Sorry. Oh, and this one. This, I think, is my most best one yet. Here's a safety tip. If you get any of this on your clothes, it will never come off. Yeah, that's why I'm being careful not to get any on my watch. I got that watch for Christmas, and I've had this watch on since Christmas. It's waterproof. That's why I said that. That's why I said that I've had it on since Christmas. Well, I'm done with all my Easter eggs. See? They're all done. Right, eggs? They said yes. So, we're going to post this video onto YouTube now, so I hope we see you next time on another Bunkhouse video. We just made some Easter eggs. Easter eggs, Easter eggs. We just colored some Easter eggs. They are real eggs. You're just hard-boiled ones. Hard-boiled ones. Hard-boiled ones. You're just hard-boiled ones. Goodbye, goodbye.